Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. September 23rd, 2009. What a day. Oh, this is deserving, people. What a day. What a doggone day. Can you say sell on the news, baby? The Fed, burn your asky, giving us nothing. This man is such a moron, it blows my mind. He should have tapped on the brakes today. He had plenty of evidence that the economy in the U.S. was stabilizing. Everyone and their mother talking about green shoots and the shoots turning into freaking leaves and flowers were blooming. No jobs, but the economy's doing just great. He should have tapped on the brakes a little bit. Should have sent the markets a little signal saying, I'm tapping. I'm tapping. I think it's a prudent thing to do. I can always add it back. You know, one thing that the market, I know central banks are not supposed to be so back and forth like I am in trading, and I understand that. And they see it from a bigger picture. But the bigger picture is screaming in their faces, even though I don't believe it, that the markets are recovering. And I think the markets took that as a sign of, one, all the good news is out there. The Fed's not going to be as generous in their next statement. They're trying this pilot program of doing repos, and they're going to have it in place to probably talk about at the next meeting. So while, yes, it should have been a dollar bearish event, it was a green light to sell the dollar, and we did sell off on it. The bottom line is, after the fact, the market realized, again, how much more, punch bowl was left. So, again, dollar index, perfect reversal, looking good. I think we bounce up to the 30 EMA. People, the stock market, everything, this is it. This is gold right now, and gold didn't show us much today, but I'll tell you what, that Australian dollar tracked gold to the pip. To the pip. And I think if we get the same thing tonight, if gold comes in, this Aussie and Kiwi and Loonie are going to fly like the wind. Oh, baby. Can you say outside day? Took out previous day highs, took out the lows. I bought my first tranche of S&P puts. I'm ready to buy more tomorrow. Hopefully we rally a little bit. Maybe up to 1065. But more time has gone off the clock, I'll tell you that. Oh, baby. This is it. Oil looks horrendous. Look at the close in oil down 350. Crude inventory surging today. Surging. Another reason why the commodity currencies got whacked and broke through major support, major channel line support in this wedge. And if you look, they even tried to break it out first. Break it out to break it down, right? We broke through the first. It looked like it was going to go. And no soup for you. So I think oil is toast. Oil is going to collapse. Through 66, oil is over. So, again, there's a lot of currencies to get to. Again, the European numbers last night I thought sucked. I love this euro short. This is the one, and I'll show you again. Euro sterling looks like it's following through. I love that one, too. Oh, baby. Blue horseshoe. The dollar. Again, we might not go straight down. We might have a little counter trend rally. Closing very weak at the lows like this, usually there's a little pop. Maybe not. But certain currencies, I think there will be. Certain ones there won't be. It'll be a cross market. I'll explain in a little bit. But euro dollar, again, to me, certainly, listen, we haven't had a standard deviation day. I spoke about this on Global FX Radio. That's my audio version, much longer. Remember, this is only 10 minutes. That's why I cut it off so short, is because I only have 10 minutes or else I won't get it uploaded to YouTube. But radio is about half an hour, 45 minutes, depending upon my rant. GlobalFXRadio.com. Anyway, euro dollar, to me, easy, 145.50. Easy. Now, I'm hoping we rally. A little rally, break it out to break it down scenario. But we reversed today. This was it. And that'll be about 80 pips? Why not? We haven't had a standard deviation day in hell knows how long. Dollar yen, this thing is just, that and the dollar Swiss, even though dollar Swiss we're buying tonight. Dollar Swiss looks awesome. The dollar yen's probably going up. Dollar yen, I would say BOP, buy on pullback. Again, if the futures are weak, though, and again, bond yields were down, this thing is just going with the dollar. Bank holiday in Japan, they're coming back. So I got to tell you, I think we got something there. I think this dollar yen easily can come in. I like euro yen as a short a lot. We'll look at that in a second, too. El Cable, what a El Reverse. Looking El Beautiful. Look at this gorgeous head and shoulders. I mean, it just don't get no better than that. Look at that, baby. Beautiful. Okay? Oh, yeah. We're going to roll over now. Now I like it. I didn't like it when Gartman added to his position down here. I like it a lot better up here with the shooting star. Hell yeah. I'm going to look at the pound across the board today, by the way. Dollar Swiss, hammer time. I love saying that. Hammer time. Hammer time. It's here. This thing, look, and again, like we said yesterday, bearish shooting star. This is so textbook Nissan candlesticks. Shooting star, bearish engulfing, continuation, and reversal. The Texas three-step. If you've been a listener of mine, you know about that. We called it today. I love this dollar Swiss. And again, we'll get to pound Swiss in a second. Aussie dollar, hell yeah. Monster reversal. Break it out to break it down. Look at this chart. I mean, look at where we are. You know, you get so sucked in. Oh, maybe it's a buy and pullback. Just come on. Look at that chart. It's toast. And I'll tell you that monster head and shoulders I see. Left shoulder, head, roll down here at 83, maybe bounce up to 85 again, then it's over. Toast. I like that. Month and a half scenario. And the other one, I mean, look, every time. Look at the last time we had a shooting star. The next day was easy. The next day was simple, right? Anytime this sucker has a monster reversal like that, the next day is almost a guarantee. All right, almost every time. I know not this one, but wasn't red. Well, yeah, I guess this one is. But again, it was like a dribble and then an up. This was just an up. That's it. This is toast. Dollar Canada probably has some room to run. Dollar Canada looks pretty good to me. Making a nice little move here. Dollar Canada probably going to burst through. This thing makes a run and takes out this channel line we got here. You know, this dollar Canada could really rip. Certainly 109. I see something like that. All right, let's do the carries, and I want to get to the other crosses, which we don't get to normally. Euro sterling. Love it. Look at that bearish engulfing coming in. 89. Tonight, 89.50. German IFO is not going to be better. It might be in line. It might be a little better. I think what's more likely, 91. I'm thinking 91 print. Something like that. Something. Absolutely. 91. So I think this euro sterling continues. Made good money on that euro sterling today. Euro yen, yes, it dojis, but it keeps on making lower highs. Sorry. I've been doing this way too long. Lower highs. I love it. What was that move last night in Asia? What the hell was that drop in dollar yen? Oh, my goodness. That was insane. But, again, love it. Any strength. Maybe we push back up to 135. We make it, a quadruple top. But I love it to the downside. Stock market topped out. This is still a carry trade. Don't tell me. This one scares me a little. But, again, under 148, it's over. I mean, look, this thing's come a long way also. This thing is just dribbling. This thing's ready for a bar down. Sterling yen. I mean, we crack this level. We take out. I mean, it's all busted. Every channel line you got is busted. Busted. I mean, I can't find one. This thing is just rolling over. Again, though, as a hedge, I'd rather be long that one. I like the other ones much better. Aussie yen couldn't punch through. It tried and it did, but it failed. New Zealand yen, another one. Love it to the downside. Commodities, I love. Look at that shooting star. I love it. Now, the pound. Let's get to pound Swiss. Take a look at that, baby. Held the line. Love it. Look at that trip. As long as we don't take out this whole 67, if I'm right about this dollar Swiss, pound Swiss goes to the moon. Pound Aussie, same thing. Pound Aussie looks even better. Hammer time and bullish engulfing. Closing above previous day low. Looks very good. How about my pound Kiwi? Holy cow. Hammer time. Hammer time. Got to buy the pullback. I know I sound crazy, but again, it's all professional, baby. And again, if you have any questions about going premium, I have a premium service, people. Info at globalfxradio.com, globalfxradio.com to check it out. And again, make me proud. Continuation tonight, dollar strength.